I'm starting off this DIY with Dollar Tree floral foams, and I will be cutting these into two. I'm making a lighting, so I'll need this to stay like this. So I'm going to be making holes on the floral foams and then inserting slim strips of PVC. The lighting that I'm making is for the outdoor. That's why I'll be using supplies that can tolerate the outdoor weather. I'll be using a table mat on this, and this is too long for the width of the table mat, so I'll be reducing this so that it would fit the width of the table mat. After I'm done putting the strong adhesive, I'm going to be adding another slim PVC strip across. For this particular lighting, I'll be making two. Because this is foam, I'm going to protect the surface of the floral foam with Mod Podge before spray painting it. I'll be adding solar lights that I got from the Dollar Tree to my design. I use zip ties to keep them in place, and the twinkle light that comes on when it's dark at night is perfect for the outdoor. I'll be wrapping table mat around what I just made. The middle part was gonna sag in, so I thought about using dowels, and I totally forgot that this was gonna be outdoor, and that makes it not suitable. So I quickly switched this up for a skewer. For safety, I'm going to bend this pointed tip here. I'll use thumbtacks to hold down the table mat to the floral foam. I held down the middle part with zip ties. To make sure that the thumbtacks stay in place, I'm going to be holding them all down with glue. I made 2 of this. I'm going to keep this aside. And now for the second design for the outdoor, I'll be putting 2 paper towel holders that I got from the Dollar Tree together with zip ties. I'll be making a design around this with Dollar Tree trays. I already had the trays cut into 2, and I'll be using 4 trays for this project. And I'll be using just the lip of the trays. I'm going to hold the pieces down to the paper towel holder with zip ties. I've put just 2 here. I'm going to be adding more, and the heights are going to be different just so that I can have space to add them to the paper towel holder. I'll be adding smaller cutouts to the middle, and this is going to be mounted up with beads. I'm using beads because I didn't have lightweight chain at home. Now all I did was just put in the solar lights through the opening on the paper towel holder. Now for the first design, this is what it looks like outside. Both designs give good amount of lighting, and they can be mounted practically anywhere. For those of you that follow my channel, you would recognize this chair right here. It is an outdoor sitting area that I made a while back, and I have actually finished my backyard, and it's been close to a year, and I do have little clips of what I did in my backyard, and that will be a full video on its own, and I cannot wait to share with you guys, probably 2 weeks or less, depending on the weather. Thank you all so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below to check them out. And for those of you who have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to click on the subscribe button.